If you're new to the world of artificial intelligence, we've got something exciting for you. In this video, we'll take you on a journey into the awesome land of AI. We found this amazing online place called Futurepedia. Think of it as your personal treasure map into the AI world. Here, you can discover all sorts of AI tools that can do cool things like understanding language, seeing things like a pro, and even more. So, let's get started. Futurepedia is a comprehensive directory of AI tools that provides a platform for AI enthusiasts, researchers, and academics to explore and utilize AI tools. It currently lists over 5,000 tools in 66 categories, including prompt generators, writing generators, social media, SEO, video editing, copywriting, and more. Before moving forward, let's quickly summarize what you can do on Futurepedia. You can search for AI tools, search for deals on paid AI tools, submit your AI tool for listing on the platform, explore sponsorship options, access resources such as the free newsletter, a list of upcoming AI conferences, the latest AI news, and access Futurepedia's social media channels. You can also leave reviews for your favorite AI tools, offering valuable insights and feedback for other users. Futurepedia is designed to be a one-stop shop for all things AI, providing users with a wealth of information and resources about the latest AI tools and how they can be used to enhance various aspects of life and work. If you are new to the platform and have not used it before, here is a step-by-step guide to help you use Futurepedia. Go to the Futurepedia website at www.futurepedia.io. Underneath the search bar, you'll find 3 tabs that sort the list of tools based on popularity, recency, and featured items. You can use the search bar to find AI tools. Let's say you want help with your math homework. Simply type, "I want help with my math homework" in the search field and click the search icon or press enter. You will see a list of AI tools that will match your search term. For each tool, you will see its name, rating, a short description, whether the tool is free or paid, and buttons for visiting the tool's website and adding the tool to your list of favorites. Remember, to add tools to your favorites, you must be logged on, which you can do with your Google account. You can use filters to refine your search further. Currently, you can filter for pricing options, such as free, paid, and freemium, and featured options, such as browser extensions, APIs, and mobile apps. A great thing about the platform is that they have collaborated with AI tool providers to bring you stunning deals. You can get up to 95% off on lifetime deals for many tools. However, before you get too excited, remember that not every tool provider offers such huge discounts. But you still get great deals on many AI tools when you go through Futurepedia. If you are a developer, you can submit your tool to the platform. Doing so brings many benefits, such as credibility, increased visibility for interested users, and increased leads and sales. You can use one of 3 sponsorship options to really make your tool stand out. You can use the first sponsorship option to have your tool listed on the Futurepedia homepage for 8 days. The other 2 sponsorship options are there to give you increased visibility in the weekly newsletter. Use either of these options to give your tool the best chance of attracting early adopters and driving sales. Futurepedia can help you stay up to date with the latest AI news. It has a dedicated news section that provides the latest updates, insights, and news in the field of AI. This section is regularly updated with new content on AI, allowing you to stay informed about the latest technology trends and innovations. Futurepedia has an active presence on social media platforms, such as Twitter, where they regularly share hand-picked news on the latest AI updates. By subscribing to their newsletter and following them on social media, you can stay updated with the latest AI tools and news. Futurepedia also has a large community of tech enthusiasts, and you can connect with Futurepedia on social media through platforms like Discord to stay updated with the latest news, tools, updates, and insights in the field of AI. By leveraging these resources, you can effectively stay informed about the latest AI news and developments in the evolving field of artificial intelligence. And there you have it, Futurepedia AI, its features, and how you can use it to find the best AI tools for your needs. Make sure to leave your thoughts, questions, and feedback in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.